The Divination with Obi Abatá. Casting for Ori. Chapter 1. Introduction. Welcome to our comprehensive educational series on Afro-American divination techniques. In this session, we will dive deeply into divination with obis, known in Brazil as Jogo de Obi. This is one of the most ancient and profound divination systems rooted in the Yoruba tradition. Divination with Obi uses the sacred Obi nut to provide guidance and insights into various aspects of life, from health and prosperity to personal relationships and spiritual growth. My name is Tilo Ploger de Ajagunan. I am a Babalorisha and Babalawo of Candomblé, Zelador de Rumbanda, and Mestre de Catimbo. I operate my spiritual house near Munich, Germany, initiated in Rio de Janeiro at the Casa do Caboclo Pena Branca, Ilha Sejagum, a spiritual lineage tracing back to the renowned Casa Branca do Engenho Velho, Ilha Seiana Sooka in Salvador. I hold degrees in economics and chemistry, with a professional background encompassing multiple leadership roles in international health and beauty companies. Throughout this series, we will cover all key dimensions of Obi to give you a detailed understanding of Obi Abatá Divination. The sacred role of Obi. Understanding the historical and cultural significance of the Obi nut in various traditions such as Candomblé, Santeria, and Ifa. Types of Obi. Exploring the different types of Obi used in divination, including Obi Abatá, Obi Iya, Obi Gbaja, and others, detailing their unique properties and uses. Reading Obi Abatá. Exploring the polarity of Obi Abatá and its spiritual interpretations within the divination process. Casting and interpreting the Obi Abatá Oracle. Detailed instructions on how to cast and interpret the Obi Abatá Oracle effectively. The 5 basic positions of Obi in the interpretation of Alafia, Itawa, Ejife, Okanran, and Oyeku. The 10 basic characteristics of Obi. A deep dive into the 10 fundamental patterns of Obi Abatá divination and their meanings, such as Ilera, Aje, Ejire, Akaran, and more. Detailed interpretation of segment positions and directions. Analyzing how the position and direction of each Obi segment influence the reading and provide insights into different aspects of life. Additional messages of Obi. Exploring more complex interpretations and additional combinations to enhance the accuracy and depth of your readings. Principle of Uya. Learning about the transformative role of Uya in the divination process and how it affects the interpretation of patterns. Converting the Obi into Ifa codings. Understanding how to decode and interpret the Obi segments into Ifa codings, including the major Otis like Ogbe, Oyeku, Iwari, and others. Preparing for divination. Learning the rituals and preparations necessary before beginning an Obi Abatá divination session. Practical applications of Obi divination. Real-world applications and case studies demonstrating how Obi divination can be used for guidance in health, financial matters, relationships, and spiritual practices. Prayers and rituals. Suggested prayers and rituals to accompany the divination process, invoking the blessings of Orishás and ancestral spirits. Offerings. Suggested procedure for a typical Ibo and Bori Ifa using Obis. The Obi in Yoruba mythology, exploring the 5 key myths of Obi and understanding their importance in Yoruba culture and spirituality. Throughout this series, it's important to acknowledge that there are several ways of performing this divination technique. The methods and interpretations presented here are based on the teachings of renowned authors and practitioners, as well as my own experiences and insights. To ensure the highest quality in each language, we are utilizing voiceover narrations for this series. This approach allows us to provide a seamless and professional presentation, ensuring clarity and precision in the delivery of the content across English, Portuguese, Spanish, and German. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge to perform Obi divination and apply its wisdom to your life. You will understand the spiritual principles underlying this practice and be able to navigate the complexities of the divination process with confidence. In addition to this video series, I am excited to share that there is a book on this topic available on Amazon. This book provides a deeper dive into the practice of Obi Abatá divination and serves as a valuable resource for anyone looking to enhance their understanding and practice. Furthermore, there are many other books available that explore the myths of the Orishás, various divination techniques, and the rich traditions of Ifa. These books are designed to cater to readers at all levels, from curious novices to seasoned practitioners. Join us on this journey to explore the depths of Jogo de Obi and discover the powerful insights it can offer. Whether you are seeking personal guidance or looking to deepen your spiritual practice, this series will provide you with the tools and knowledge to connect with the divine wisdom of the Yoruba tradition. I invite you to join our community on Daily Ifa. Official website www.daily-ifa.com. Our blog www.daily-ifa.blog. Instagram Daily Ifa Orishá. Video courses for the U.S. market as Daily Ifa on udemy.com in English. For Brazil as Daily Ifa on Hotmart in Brazilian Portuguese. I hope you enjoy this course. I encourage you to visit my other teachings about the sacred divination techniques as well as the mythology of the Orishás in Odu Ifa. Stay blessed. Ashe.